Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the additional, well, it's not in the newspaper of today. No, it's actually in the yesterday's newspaper because today's actually Sunday. Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles in the Saturday edition. Saturday edition, February the 12th, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left: the Letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. 3 puzzles are left, and the first puzzle I will solve will be the Letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me see which number it will be. 4119. 4119. And before I start, I always count the printed letters. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. No, letters. Okay. Usually for a 27 printed digits puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For letter Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve, because there's a difference between the digits and the letters, because with the digits I can count. Here I cannot count. Those letters are always different. 9 letters we have here. 9 out of 26, yes. 26 letters in the alphabet: the K, the S, the O, the E, the P, the N, the T, the A, and the W. And the goal is to solve this word in this column. Alright, so let's get started. We have a K in the third column, K in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the K should be here. Oh, there we see that K, no K there, K should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We see here K in the middle row, so no K in these 2 boxes. And K in this column, so no K in that box. So 1 box left for the K in this big square should be there. K in this row, K in the middle row, so no K. So the row above, the only place left for the K should be here. K in the last column, K in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. You see there, K, no K there, K should be here. K in this column, K in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the K should be here, here, or there. We see there, K, no K there, here, K, no K there. The only place left for the K should be there. And all the K's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter K. Okay. S in this row, S in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, so no S there. S should be here. Alright. In this big square, we have 5 missing letters. One of the missing letters is a S. We have an S in the middle row, so no S in these 2 boxes. Here an S in this column, no S in that box. So the S could be here, could be there. S in one of those 2 boxes in this row, S in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. You see there an S, no S there, S should be there. Okay. S. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with the S. We have 1 box left in this row for the W, I believe. Yes, W is missing here. Okay, W. The E. And the T. Interesting, interesting. We have a T in this column, T in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the T should be there. T in this row, T in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the T should be here. W and E. Yeah, two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, W is missing and the E is missing. E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the W goes there. Okay. W in this column. W in the middle column. So the column next down, need to place left for the W should be here or there. We see there W, no W there. W should be here. W in the last row, W in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the W should be here or there. We see there W, no W there, W should be here. W in the third column, W in the first column. So the column between the second column, only two places left for the W should be here or there. We see there W, no W there, W should be here. W in the third row, W in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the W should be here. W in this column, W in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the W should be there. And all the W's are used. I can see letter W, letter number 2, W, letter, yeah, letter number 2. Okay. All right. Then we have an N in this row and in that row. So the row between, only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see there an N, no N there, N should be there. And A in this row, A in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the A should be there. One box left in the middle row for the letter O. Let me see. And P. O and S. T. We have an A in this column. A in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the A should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see an A in the third row, so no A in these two boxes. Here an A in the second column, so no A in that box. So one box left for the A should be there. A in the first column, A in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the A should be here or there. We see that A, no A there. A should be there. A in the last row, A in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the A should be here or there. We see that A, no A there. A should be there. A in the last column, A in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the A should be here or there. We see that A, no A there. A should be there. Alright. P and N. Two missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the N is missing and the P is missing. N and the P. N and the P. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here, and the P goes there. Okay. So we have N in the third column, N in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the N should be there. And in this row, and in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the N should be there. And well, cannot continue with N. How about these two missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the O is missing and the E is missing. O and the E, O and the E. We have an O there, no O there. O should be here and the E goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters E is missing and a P is missing. E and the P. We have a E there, no E there. E should be here. And the P goes there. One box left in this third column for the letter S. Yeah, S is missing. Here we have two missing letters in this big square for the letters P is missing and the E is missing. P and E, we have an E there, no E there. E should be here, the P goes there. Alright, so we have an E in this row, E in the last row. So the row between, only two places left for the E should be here or there. You see there, E, no E there, E should be here. E in this column, E in the column next, so the last column, only two places left for the E should be here or there. You see there, E, no E there, E should be here. E in the third row, E in the second row, so the first row, only two places left for the E should be here or there. We see then E, no E there, E should be here. And all the E's are used, I can't see. Letter number 3, letter E. One box left in this row. First row for the letter O. O in this first row, O in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the O should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters P is missing and the T is missing. P and T, P and T. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here and the T goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. A P is missing and the T is missing. P and the T, P and T. We have a P there, no P there. P should be here and the T goes there. Then two missing letters in this column. For letters S and the O is missing. S and the O, we have a S there, no S there. S should be here and O goes there. Now we have solved this word. In Dutch, wapenstok. In English, it's a stick. Weapon stick, yeah. I don't know if yeah, the stick as a weapon. Yes, okay. Let me continue. 12 minutes already passed. One box left in this big square for the letter O. Two boxes left in this big square for the letters S is missing and the N is missing. S and N. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here and the N goes and there. Two missing letters in this row for the letters. Well, let me do the last row. Those missing letters are the O is missing and the O is missing and the P is missing. Yeah. O and the P, O and the P. We have an O there, no O there. O should be here and the P goes there. And the final two letters in this big square for letters. The N is missing and the T is missing. N and the T and then the T. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here and the T goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. I thought I solved this between 15 and 20 minutes. But I'm faster today, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this edition of the yesterday's newspaper. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.